just moving the tailpipe to a power plant 50 miles away.
Okay, so if EVs come so scary, let's talk about the 2026 Toyota Prius plug-in or the Honda CR-V hybrid. This feel like the safe choice.
Okay.
Mats ya, ingat Mats. Yes. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Gear Shift. Today is 2026, and the automotive world is unrecognizable compared to just 5 years ago. I'm your host, Matt, and today we are doing a mega episode and the most debate topics in school, office, and coffee shops. What should you actually buy driving? Let's go, Adnan.
And I'm Adnan. You know, Matt?
Yeah.
I was looking at the sales data this morning. For the first time ever, the traditional pure gas engine is officially the minority in the new car showroom. It's either electric, hybrid, or some kind of plug-in.
It's a revolution. And we've got the 2026 Tesla Model 3 Performance, setting track records, and Hyundai Ioniq 6. Basically acting as a living room on wheels.
It's exciting, sure, but is it practical? Everyone talks about the cool factor, but today, we're going to look at the hidden pros and the scary cons that the car salesman won't tell you.
Let's start with the big one. Battery electric vehicle. Models like the 2026 Rivian R1S or the Kia EV3 are everywhere. Adnan, give me the pro case for going full electric in 2026.
Okay, well, the pros have met you. First, the zero maintenance reality. We're saying cars hit 100,000 kilometers with nothing but tire rotation and windshield fluid. No transmission fluid, no oil leaks, no exhaust rust. Second is smart grid integration. In 2026, your car is not just a car. It's a battery for your home. With vehicle to home tech feature, a Ford F-150 Lightning can power your home during a blackout for 3 days. And the last, the silent performance. The instant torque in Lexus RZ450e make a gas-powered sport cars feel like a slow.
Okay, but I know you have but coming, let's hear the cons.
Oh, I have several for you. First, the hidden cost of insurance. Because EV are packed with expensive LiDAR and AI sensor, insurance companies are charging 30 to 40% more for premiums. Second, the infrastructure gaps. We're in 2026, and yet, if you drive to a rural area or a remote village, the charging is still a myth. The last, battery degradation anxiety. Everyone is worried about their phone battery dying after 2 years.
Yeah.
Now imagine that with a 3 million rupiah, if your battery health drops to 80%, your resale car value plummets.
That's fair. But what about the environmental side? Sorry, that's you, bro?
Hold on, bro. Is it free?
Yes, free.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Let's go, bro. Just to you, for you.
What is that, bro?
This is,
You know what it is?
yeah, I know. This TKT48 cards is collaboration Tango and TKT48. Yeah.
He's so cute, by the way. Okay, let's back to the topic, right?
Wait. Okay.
Okay, your answer. For your answer, only if your electricity comes from solar or wind. If you're charging your EV with a coal-powered electricity, you're just moving the tailpipe.
Wait,
to
bro.
a-
I'm opponent.
Oh, no problem.
I'm opponent. Wait. This is nice.
I want to try it too.
Let's go. But
That's back, bro.
yeah.
Only if your electricity comes from a solar wind. If you're charging your EV with a coal-powered electricity, you're just moving the tailpipe to a power plant 50 miles away.
Okay. So if EVs come so scary, let's talk about the 2026 Toyota Prius plug-in or the Honda CR-V hybrid. This feel like the safe choice.
Okay, they are the adult choice. Let's take a look here. First, the best of both worlds. With a plug-in hybrid like the BMW X5 xDrive 50e, you get 80 km of electric range. That's enough for a whole day. But then, you have a gas tank for the weekend road trip.
But wait, play the realist. Here, let's talk about the cons of hybrids. 1. Double the trouble. You have an engine and electric motors, the two systems that can fail. You still need oil change, you still have a radiator, and you still have a battery that will eventually degrade. And 2. Weight issues. Look at the 2026 BMW M5.
Yeah, I heard that.
It's a hybrid now, but it's a weight as much as a small truck. That extra weight eats your tires and makes the car feels less nimble. And 3. The fake green factor. Many people buy plug hybrid electric vehicle but never actually plug them in. They just drive them as heavy gas cars, which actually makes them less efficient than a regular car.
You caught me. It's true. If you don't have a plug at home, a PHEV is just a heavy paperweight.
We have to talk about the Holy Grail. You've been hearing that Toyota and Nissan are finally releasing solid-state battery prototypes later this year. Okay.
Yo, that is the game changer. Solid-state battery don't catch fire like the lithium-ion one. They can charge in 10 minutes and give you 1,200 kilometers of range. But the cost is astronomical. In 2026, only the ultra-wealthy can afford a car with a solid-state battery. It's not for everyone yet. It's so expensive, by the way.
And what about autonomous driving? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz AMG C63 now has level 3 autonomy. You can literally watch a movie while the car drives on the highway.
Oh, that's insane. That's a pro for safety and comfort, but a massive cons for privacy. Your car is now a data center on wheels. It knows your name, your heart rate, and every location you visit.
That sounds scary.
Yeah, bro.
Wow. We've covered a lot, from the instant torque of the Ioniq 6N to the practical reliability of the Toyota Camry hybrid. Adnan, final strokes for our listeners who are doing their school projects or looking to buy.
Okay, this is my final word. Don't buy the hype, buy the usage. If you can charge at home, go buy an EV. If you can, stay hybrid. And if you love driving for the sake of driving, enjoy this gas engine while they're still here.
Well, say, the gear shift is happening whether we're ready or not. Thanks for joining us today, Adnan.
My pleasure, bro. Don't forget to check the charging level on your way out.
Haha, definitely. Thanks for listening to the Gear Shift. Stay serious, stay safe, and we'll see you on the road. Thank you guys for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.